So a quick glance at this question tells you that this has to do with using the properties of sum and product of these roots. So we'll be using those results. So for a general quadratic, the sum of the roots is minus b over a, and the product is c over a. So we'll use that property. So product of the roots will be minus 1/3. That's c is minus 1, a is 3. And then their sum would be minus lambda over 3. Now we're also given that, and you will note that if I rewrite this, add those two fractions, that becomes equal to 15. And you will see from this that this alpha squared beta squared is really square of the sum. So that's the first thing we can compute. So that would be 1/9. 3, so that's 5/3. And then the other thing I can do is to rewrite this as alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. And then again, I know this. And the reason I'm doing this is so I can figure that out, which is really related to lambda. So alpha plus beta square minus 2 times alpha beta. So this would be plus 2/3. And then if I subtract, this would be 3 over 3 or 1. And then alpha plus beta square is, the square would be lambda square over 9. It doesn't matter because we're going to take square root again. So lambda is plus or minus 3. So we actually know the full quadratic. But instead of finding the roots, I'm going to relate this identity to the sum and product. So we'll be using this identity, which is alpha cube plus beta cube is alpha plus beta times alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. So here, again, we know this piece. That's going to be plus or minus 1, but you'll see it doesn't matter because the question is really squaring it, but I'll leave it as plus minus 1. And then this would be alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta minus alpha beta, and we have those values already. This piece is, where is it? Alpha plus beta square is 1. So 1 minus 3 alpha beta, and alpha beta is minus 1/3. So this is going to become 1 plus 1. So that becomes 2. We have this plus or minus 1 outside, but you'll note that they're asking for square of that. So we square this, that would be 4, and that's answer choice D.